Okay, now I want to talk about the Tree of Life meditation system. The Tree of Life is it's sort of a blueprint. Okay, I'll use that word. It's a blueprint that has 11 spheres, and they are numbered and they are named. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, all of the way down to 10. And the deities that I mentioned in the opening, those are the names of each sphere in order. That's Amen, Osar, Tahuti, Seker, Ma'at, Herakuti, Heru, Het Haru, Sebek, Aset, and Geb. Those are the spheres of the Tree of Life. And the meditation system is designed for those people who would like to have their true self, which you call Osar, Sphere 1, run your life. If you become proficient at this system, the meditation system, then eventually the result will be that your life is run by Osar. And you will begin to see and experience peace around you, and you will begin to see and experience what Osar promises, which is prosperity and sustenance, unity. So these things you will be able to manifest for your life. Okay, I am now, I've started learning how to do the meditation system, which means you do it consecutively, consistently. And this is my 7th consecutive time participating in the meditation cycle. The cycle is from new moon to new moon. So I am in the middle of a new moon now, which means that I'm on the 13th day, and the 13th day is a Sebek day. Now, this is how it works. You choose a problem in your life. It could be anything, but it has to be only one problem. It could be a problem that you're having with your career, with your marriage, with money, with a child, or whatever. It doesn't matter. You just choose one problem. Once you choose your problem and you begin on the new moon, actually the night before the new moon, then what happens is you look at this problem every day with one of the deities in order. And that means you're going to look at this problem from 11 different ways. You're just looking at it, and you're trying to see how it is out of balance with the law of God, the laws of God. So you look at it for 11 days, and in the meantime, what's happening is that you're getting these insights where you can see the problem and you think, well, I didn't think of that. I didn't know that. So you're looking at it from those different ways, and the problem is going to become clearer. As the problem becomes clearer, the solution to the problem, or some solutions to the problem, will start to present themselves. So that by the time you reach the 12th day, you are ready to assess the problem from the standpoint of your own spirituality. Where are you in terms of your spirituality and your ability to solve this problem? So you will get something called a spiritual quotient. And what that means is it's a number that lets you know it's your score, your spiritual score. Kind of like, the way they have on TV or the internet, what is your credit score? Okay, well, that's a pretty bad analogy, but you can get a score, a number that tells you where you are in terms of your spirituality. And this may seem it may seem a bit odd, but actually it's a bit consoling, because it tells you how much work you have to do and how much work you've already done. So you get to sort of know your place in where you are in terms of your spiritual development. So on the 12th day, you begin to reprogram yourself so that you are placing the solution to the problem inside of your true self. Meaning it's going to come out of you, the solution will come out of you the same way a habit does. You know, you find yourself, some people crack their knuckles out of habit. Okay, well, suppose you can say the right thing to the right person at the right time out of habit without any effort. So that's what you're doing. You're encoding these things inside of you, reprogramming yourself so that you come into alignment with not just your spirituality, but with the spirituality of the universe. So this is some pretty it's some pretty important work in terms of realigning your life so that it actually works for you, and it works for humanity, it works for God, it works towards peace. Okay. So by the time you get to the end of the cycle, you should either have solved your problem or gained some insight into the problem that will lead you to working out even more of where you need to go with your spirituality. So you can either continue to work on a different aspect of the problem, or if you have solved the problem, then move on to another part of your life that needs development. It's awesome. Okay. It's beyond awesome. It's just no words for it. It's phenomenal, because the level of insights that you get when you do this, especially if you're doing this consecutively, it makes you feel like it makes you feel powerful. I guess that's the word. You have control of your life, because you know if you're not doing something, then going through these things tells you what you need to do. All you have to do is fix this part of your life, and other parts will fall into alignment. Awesome. Okay. And that's why I wanted to do this video series. It's to help me as well as to help other people. I do want to let you know, I don't know if I've said it before, but I am not a teacher. I consider myself to be a student. And so if you are a teacher and you see that I'm doing something that's wrong, please, let me know so that I can correct it, because that's what this is all about. Being truthful in the journey of spiritual development. Okay, today what I'm looking at is my problem that I wanted to look at for this month, this cycle, was how to return to peace. How to return to peace. Anger has always been a problem for me. My thoughts, feelings, and actions always reflected anger. And so when I decided that I wanted to get rid of it, I was looking at things like joy and love, but I never really looked at peace. It's strange, because that's exactly what I wanted, peace.